This presentation will explain why a covering letter is so important when you submit a job application. A covering letter is an opportunity to show off your best qualities and is as important as your CV. A good covering letter will complement your CV by expanding on the details relevant to that specific role. It is vital that you include a professional covering letter with each job you apply for, as many recruiters may not have the time to read all the CVs they receive. Submitting a good strong covering letter with your application will help your application stand out and increase your chances of landing an interview. So, what should you include in your covering letter? Start by addressing your covering letter to the correct person. If you don't know the name of the person, then visit the employer's website to find out who is in charge of recruitment or who is the head of the particular department advertising the job. Clearly state which job you are applying for. Personalize your covering letter for each job. This is essential as each job description entails a different skill set, so emphasize your key strengths in relation to the job. This is your chance to show your personality and your enthusiasm for the role. Explain why you are the best candidate for this role, and why you deserve an interview. Make sure you focus on any previous work experience you may have in a similar field. This will show the recruiter that you have some experience for the job you are applying for. Add a few words about why you're interested in this particular role, and how you feel it fits in with your career plans. Take this opportunity to show the recruiter that you've done your research, and that you know about the company and understand what type of candidate they are looking for. Also emphasize what you can bring to the company. Finally, end your covering letter on a positive note. For example, I look forward to hearing from you. Proofread your covering letter, making sure there are no mistakes with the spelling and grammar. Keep your covering letter to no more than one side of A4. If the company likes what they read on your covering letter, then your CV will get their attention. Good luck from findmydreamjob.co.uk.